Piny owacho migosi Uhuru Kenyatta kawuono niendi ne otelo nyasi nendo mar chako gedo manyien manoger kod bengi nendo mar Trade and Development Bank. Uhuru Kenyatta mane opuoyo maendi kaka ranyisi manendo mar kinda gi tich matek ma bengi no osetimo kuom thuolo madirom higni 40 e pacho kaendi. Nolero ni koro maendi en ranyisi achiel ni koro wechego eko mag dongruok koro nitie okang' manendo madhi nyime.
This building symbolizes the exponential growth that this bank has had since its inception some 40 years ago in 1985. Indeed, we as Kenya, as one of the leading shareholders and also founding members, are totally proud to note that the bank now boasts an asset base of approximately $8 billion and is widely recognized globally as a financial institution of credit. Once again, we want to heartily congratulate, through you, dear friend, the bank and your staff for the recent awards during the African Development Bank's annual meetings some 2 weeks ago. And indeed, it is no small achievement to be recognized as the Sustainable Bank of the Year and the best DFI of the year in Africa. Congratulations to all of you.
I would like to recognize Kenya's strategic role as a founding member from the Common Market of Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA. That was then, as you will all remember, the preferential trade area for Eastern and Southern Africa. It was back in 1985 when COMESA gave birth to what was then PTA Bank, that is today TDB. We deeply appreciate Kenya's role as one of the early champions that nurtured and insulated TDB in its beginnings and supported